Unprecedented voting is taking place, and people in Chhattisgarh today are, it is quite obvious, not only in a mood to change the government but to change history. From now on, people of Chhattisgarh are going to have a government which is not run by the dictates of Delhi or Nagpur. It is going to be a government of, for and by the people of Chhattisgarh, wherein we will be taking our own decisions. And this is a historic day for the people of Chhattisgarh, and that is why this unprecedented turnout.
Also, your opponents are making it very clear that your party is not directly targeting the Gandhi family and also the Congress party. Will you be taking support of Congress if you are not able to get the magic number to form the government?
We are forming the government on our own. There is no question about it. And as far as the national parties are concerned, one party comes, leader talks about Rafale, another party comes, leader talks about Ram Mandir. Who is talking about the issues of Chhattisgarh? Our farmers are committing suicide. 30 lakh youth are unemployed. You are not talking about them. Polavaram Dam is being built. 200,000 people from Bastar are going to be submerged. They are going to be drowned. You are not talking about them. Mahanadi water, all of it is being taken by Odisha. Our farmers' fields are dry, scorching with drought. You are not talking about them. You are not talking about any of the issues that concern the people of Chhattisgarh. With due respect, Ram Mandir or Rafale can be issues for 2019, but 2018 Chhattisgarh must be about Chhattisgarh, and both the parties need to come clean.
So Ram Mandir is not an issue for your party?
It is not an issue for our party in this election.
In this election, okay. And also, what kind of response you are getting from your voters here in Chhattisgarh?
It is an unprecedented response. We have been working for the last 2 years. Our workers have gone to every household, and we have, in the first time in the history of the world, come out not with a Ghoshna Patra or a Sankalp Patra or a manifesto document or a vision document. We have come out with an affidavit, a 100 rupees stamp paper affidavit, where Mr. Jogi has taken sworn that when he becomes chief minister, on day one, he is going to pass those 14 orders.
Last question. We have seen Yogi Adityanath.
We want to bring credibility back into the politics.
We have seen Yogi Adityanath, doing a lot of rallies in Chhattisgarh, and he was also talking about Ram Mandir. You are saying that Ram Mandir is not an issue for you. Do you think that BJP has made this election about Ram Mandir, and you are not going to even, take name of Ram for election?
In Chhattisgarh, no Modi, no Yogi, only Jogi.
All right, my apologies. That was Amit Jogi, Ajit Jogi's son, speaking to us and highlighting how people are fed up with the BJP and the Congress, and claims that that's why the Janata, in fact, the JCC, will be successful in Chhattisgarh and will be voted to power. He's also indicating at, of course, the record voter turnout that we witnessed in Phase 1. Phase 2, so far, till 10 a.m., the voter turnout is about 12.54%. We are, of course, hoping that that will pick up over the next few hours. And in that case, if Phase 2 goes as well as Phase 1 did, we will see a record voter turnout in the state of Chhattisgarh itself. Something which Amit Jogi claims is a reflection of the people's mindset and frustration against both the BJP and the Congress. So interesting developments taking place as we speak right now in Chhattisgarh. We are continuing to track all the developments taking place in Chhattisgarh as the voting is underway, and huge number of people coming out to cast their vote as we speak.